wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best outdoor toys for kids. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Explore a beautiful hiking trail or an uncharted corner of the backyard with the One Elegant Adventure Kit. A pair of binoculars and a magnifying glass allow curious children to get a better look at the world around them, and a compass helps teach them navigation skills. It includes a hand-crank flashlight and a butterfly net for studying insects. However, it's not particularly durable. At number 9, kids as young as 3 can enjoy hopping around on the flybar jumper. Essentially a toddler-friendly pogo stick, it has a durable foam base that squeaks with every jump, which should delight the little ones, although it irritates some parents. It's available in a variety of colors and supports up to 250 pounds. It's safe for indoor use as well. Coming in at number 8 on our list, space enthusiasts should get a kick out of the Stomp Rocket Ultra. Its lightweight foam projectiles can be blasted into the air with a simple jump, so you can achieve the best height or distance, or just enjoy watching these mini missiles fly through the sky. No electronics are required, and it comes with 4 rockets. However, the base could be sturdier. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor toys for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, transition your little video game addict away from the TV with the eachine mini quadcopter. This small drone has a controller that will seem familiar to anyone who owns a console, and since it's built for beginners, even a young flyer should get the hang of it in no time. It comes with extra propellers and charges via USB, but it doesn't work well in strong winds. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're looking for a simple classic option, the Melissa and Doug kickball should do the trick. Get a group together for games like Foursquare and Dodgeball, or just toss it back and forth on a lazy afternoon. Either way, you'll be sure to create some fun memories. It sports a cute ladybug design and is made of a durable rubber material. However, the colors fade over time. Halfway up our list at number 5. Turn a windy day into hours of entertainment with the agreatlife rainbow kite. Even beginners should find it easy to operate, since it was designed to be used by all ages. It's not difficult to control, and it doesn't take much of a breeze to get it launched into the air. It comes with a carrying case, and assembly is quick and simple. Its bright colors are very visible. At number 4, add a little water to the wowmazing giant bubble kit, and you'll soon be creating some of the biggest soap bubbles you've ever seen. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including a wand, a packet of concentrate, and a booklet full of tips and tricks. It's made in the USA and entertains people of all ages. It's easy to travel with. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Older children should find the macaco slackline amusing and challenging. All you need is a pair of trees and you can get a mini circus going in any backyard or park. Practicing on this portable tightrope is sure to teach your youngster both balance and patience. It comes with a drawstring bag and an instruction book. It's fun for adults as well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor toys for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, playing outside isn't just for athletes. Artists can get in on the fun with the SNS Color Splash. This giant box of sidewalk chalk has 126 pieces, so it should last a long time, unlike the drawings themselves, which can be washed away easily with water. You get 9 different colors, and it makes a fun birthday party activity. The hues are bright and vibrant. And coming in at number 1 on our list, bring the playground into your own backyard with the swing and slide seesaw. Kids can teeter up and down in the traditional style or spin around 360 degrees for an even more fun experience. It's an especially good choice for a family with 2 children. It includes anchors for security and promotes balance and coordination. It's made of durable steel. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor toys for kids, or simply click beneath this video.